I'm going to be making a Copycat Chick-fil-A frosted lemonade. If you never had one of these, oh man, they're so good. I know some people don't have Chick-fil-A where they live, but this is a really good milkshake. This is going to make 2 servings. You're going to need half a cup of lemon juice. I'm going to use this real lemon here, or you can freshly squeeze it. 1/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cups of water, and 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. Any vanilla ice cream you want to get. I'll put the ice cream in there. And I need a blender for this. Water in there. Half a cup of lemon juice. And then a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Put the lid on there, and then you're going to blend it. Now my blender has a milkshake setting. It looks like it's done. It looks like it's a little thin too. Let me check. Yeah, it is. You know what I'm going to do? Add a little bit more. I'm going to add a couple more scoops of vanilla ice cream in there. Because I like my milkshakes a little thicker. It's according how thick you like your milkshake. I like mine thicker, and Chick-fil-A's is thick. I mean, it's not super thick, but let me check. I think it'll be okay. It looks good enough for me. I saved a Chick-fil-A cup from the last time that I had a frosted lemonade from there, just so I could use it in this video. Oh yeah, this is good. I like the way that looks. That's the way it looks. I'm going to try it for you. That is really, really good. And that is how you make a Chick-fil-A frosted lemonade. If y'all haven't tried it yet, the next time you go to Chick-fil-A, if you have one in your area, try that or make it your own. But I suggest trying it for Chick-fil-A first so you can compare the taste. But that tastes really close to the Chick-fil-A frosted lemonade. And thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.